sideways. Cool B out my body. Whole clique pull up in vets, bitch, we out our body.
How you feeling, Versatile Squad? Welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, y'all. Give me a big thumbs up. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. In this video, y'all, we're going to Dyno night, y'all. No, I'm not putting the bet on the Dyno tonight, y'all, unfortunately. But we're going to a place called DarkNightSpecialties, y'all. They do $75 Dyno nights, y'all. Come on now, only on the weekends. Sometimes on Monday nights as well. But really, I'm just going for the content, see what crazy cars come out, see what other cars do on the dyno. Then eventually, since this is my first time going to one of these meets, shoosh, I had a close call, y'all. But since this is my first time going to one of these meets, I really just want to get an idea of how everything works, see how they do their dyno test, y'all. And then if I like it, you know, of course I'm gonna come back. You know, we're gonna go to the bet on that now, see what she cops out tonight. That's why we kind of veered away from the little takeover meets, y'all, because cops be hot in the H now. But we about to get to the Dark Night specialty, y'all. See what they doing, see what they talking about, y'all. See what cars pull up. Alright, get back at y'all when we there. It's good, y'all. So we made it to Dark Night Specialties, y'all. It's kind of cold. Ooh, that was a nice little super in that thing. Like I was saying, it's kind of cold. Your boy had to throw the beanie on. But we got a nice little crowd that pulled up. Got a ZL1 right here. Sheesh. Of course, you know we got the brother in here, JI Productions. Make sure y'all go check out his new merch too if y'all haven't as well, y'all. Right there. He doing pre-orders until February, his birthday. So you can get the Mamba and the JI dripping any color you want.
Oh, this one's started at 10.
Yeah.
Right there.
It's good, man. Make sure you tap in. Goddamn,
Yes,
no
sir, I
cap.
was just telling about that. She ain't got it on. We got the GTRs right here lined up. It's wrapped though. You got the carbon fiber on the hood insert, y'all. Ooh, that thing got a little purple tint to it too. That thing is nice. Take out some other wheel. Make sure y'all go check that boy out right there. Looks like it. So you got another GTR. You got the carbon fiber on the gills. Shit, I guess that man got two of them. That thing, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, this definitely gotta be one for the collection, y'all. If y'all a car guy, y'all definitely gotta add the GTR to the collection. No cap. Got the Grinch in here. Hey, okay, he's sitting on the floor with it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm doing my video on my truck, man. I miss my truck. Cause this is something that I would have did, y'all, cause green and black's my favorite color. I plan on lifting it. He look like he just got a little leveling kit on it though. But I planned on doing this to my truck, y'all. I miss it so much. Best believe I'm gonna get another one. Got a couple little trucks in here. Y'all, we got the first contestant, got a little Shelby on this thing, the Cobra to be exact, supercharged. done.
743.
This one up next, y'all. That one ran 743, and then what was it, 640 torque.
I'm only making 30 of those though. Little sneak peek, you know what I mean? Little sneak
Got 705 and 720, y'all. This truck is stupid.
Give me some.
This is a big bitch, y'all. He was trying to go on the dyno, y'all. See what this thing run. They had somebody else take his spot, though. Okay. That's cute. Hey, sir, this is legal. Technically, this is private property. I don't even think you allowed to be here. You can get your ass out, because my man got a permit. This is his spot. Fuck you talking about? What? Oh.
Dude complaining from the hotel and shit. That's crazy.
From the hotel, man. They better sit at the window and enjoy the view. That's crazy, man.
But I mean, they can't do nothing though. It's private property.
That's what I'm saying. If anything, they ain't allowed.
He don't got on a goddamn mask. Violation. $1,500 fine. Can somebody say that, please? Oh, pop in the hood. Oh, what we about to do? What we about to do? We about to put on the dyno? Oh, okay. Okay.
Something slight. Look, LS3.
Okay, yeah, rev it. Rev it. You ain't catching the Okay.
Oh, we just had to go get this super, man. That thing is pretty. Wow. Ooh, look at the little. Stop playing with him, huh? You can say he pimping under the hood. Oh, it's a little trophy. What do you want? DarkNightSpecialties. Oh, that thing, yeah. to it?
The whole exhaust system.
Oh, you got full exhaust?
Yeah, bro.
Sound good. What's good, Versatile Squad? So we back in the vet, right? Hope y'all enjoyed that little car meet, Dyno night, y'all. We was trying to get a view of that 2020 Supra, y'all. Put it on the dyno, but it's something with the safety features of the Supra that won't allow it to get dynoed, y'all. And it's messing with the computer, so the computer's not able to read the horsepower and the torque that the Supra's reading or putting out. But besides that, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed those two Shelbys that got dyno, man. Them things pushing some serious horses, huh? 700, both of them? We gonna get that one day, best believe. If not, we gonna surpass that. No cap. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. Y'all remember to stay versatile. Treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man. And go at it like it's y'all last. We out.
Popped out my motherfucker bed. Popped in a motherfucker coupe.